Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, you can clearly see that after this big consolidation phase that was forming here, which was so bored, we actually saw this big imminent move that I was telling you that is about to happen. It happened to the direction that I was waiting for. I told you that this guy, I gave you exactly 60% chances to get to the downside rather to the upside, because here on this consolidation phase the Bollinger Band indicator was had squeezed so much that had one way to get even to the upside or even to the downside, and it went to the direction, as I told you, which I was expecting for. So you can clearly see that we took the down road here, and we formed a downtrend movement. Beautiful formation. As you can clearly see, we had always a support that every time that support was breaking out, we experienced a big drop on the price of the Bitcoin. And you can clearly see that this happened, and especially yesterday, which I told you, because of that kind of flip, we're gonna get, well, with that kind of breakout, we're gonna get to a lower point, which happened, and the lowest point was exactly the $60,341. But immediately, guys, we flipped with this impulsive move to the upside, and we start building. If you put the lines here, you're gonna see that we start building an uptrend movement with a breakout that happened here. So guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you why I believe that this kind of pump is gonna continue to the upside, and of course in the short term. Okay, it's gonna be very temporarily. Of course, my direction didn't change at all. I remain very bearish. I want to declare you that. Don't confuse the things. But in the short term, I believe that we're going to have a slightly pump to the upside because of this kind of breakout of this kind of resistance. But in the mid long term, I remain bearish, and I believe that the Bitcoin is going to get to a maximum pain. Learn to separate the things, okay, guys? So on this video, I'm going to show you all these things in the short term, in the short time frame, and also in the mid long time frame. And guys, also I'm gonna show you my trade position, my trade setup on this current situation that's happening right now. So if you would like to know all these things, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much, continuing this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys, and let's jump straight to the 1 hour time frame to begin with this very special chart that we have right now in front of our eyes. You can clearly see that we formed actually this downtrend movement. Every time, as I told you, we had broke out this massive support area, we had big free fall of the Bitcoin price. And with that being said, guys, from $60,900 area, we dropped down to $60,344, which was the lowest point of this downtrend movement. But afterwards, guys, after this massive breakouts that happening here, we experienced an impulsive move which jumped back to these support areas, and afterwards it formed here a beautiful formation of actually an upturn movement. Let me correct the lines, because probably you're gonna mess what I'm telling you. You can clearly see here that this is an upturn movement, and of course we had the breakout which happened on this area at $16,570 on this downtrend movement resistance area. We broke out, and that's why I'm expecting a big imminent move. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I took the trade in a very few. So stay tuned to see my trade, guys. We had first a sign that the pump is gonna continue is this breakout. Okay, I was expecting a pump after this breakout, and we saw that by highest point touching the $16,640, which is a very good resistance area. But as you can clearly see, we were retesting this very hard on this current situation. But guys, we reached this point, and right now we had experienced a very big rejection. And this rejection, guys, is actually we retesting the previous resistance as a support, which is very normally. And this kind of rejection, guys, flashed me a very bullish movement afterwards. You can clearly see that we're retesting the previous resistance as a support, which every time we're doing that, we experiencing even more pump to the upside, which I'm gonna still tell you in a very few the technical price target, which I believe that we will reach very easily. So this is not only the first sign that convinced me that we're gonna get even higher. You can clearly see right now the EMA ribbon in the 1 hour time frame, it's very close to flip to bullish. When this is going to happen in the 1 hour time frame, we're gonna see a big explode on the price of the Bitcoin. But look carefully, guys, in the 30 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that we have actually flipped to bullish side of the EMA ribbon, the time that we actually broke out this massive resistance. So this is a very strong sign of why this is probably going to continue, the continuation of this kind of pump to the upside. And you can clearly see that right now we're retesting this EMA ribbon as a support, which also every time that we're doing that, most in the cases we have a rebound to the upside. Of course, in the 50 minutes time frame, guys, you're gonna see that not only the EMA ribbon is on the upside, but also we had flipped to the EMA cross, which is the exponential moving average, which right now we're retesting strongly the red line. Let's see how this is gonna play the role here. I believe, guys, that we're gonna have a reversal here to the upside to a bigger number anytime soon, because we saw this kind of flip on the EMA, which is the exponential moving average, and we are also in the bullish side, which right now we're retesting it. So if I put back the 1 hour time frame, I would like to show you right now exactly my technical price targets on this current situation. Guys, I believe very easy, and this is one of my price target on my trade. My trade opened exactly on this retest, guys. I opened my trade, and I'm gonna put you right now what I'm focusing. I'm focusing around here. I opened at exactly $16,572, and I have a technical price target, guys, at around 0.6% is my take profit target, and around 0.20 is the actually my stop loss. Okay, this is 1 to 3 ratio trade. This is how I plan to do that. Of course, I can change the that's why I don't like to share the day trade, because sometimes probably I'm changing the take profits and the stop loss according to what I'm seeing at the current movement on the chart. So this is exactly what I believe. I believe it's very easy technical price target to get at $16,672. And guys, I believe that if this we're gonna see the reversal, we're gonna reach very easily the $16,700 area, and probably even more. Okay, probably we're gonna reach the $16,800 like a flash pump, and then we're gonna get back to $16,700 to actually retest the support areas and some consolidation phase on this kind of area. This is how I believe it's gonna we're gonna see the things. But first, let's see how when we're gonna do this kind of flip here. I open my trade, I said it, I believe it's gonna happen. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Take the lessons that I told you here, why I open this kind of trade. Of course, guys, if I zoom in a little bit, I'm gonna show you something that most of the guys getting wrecked out. Every time, guys, that you actually lose the train to get a long position on this current situation, if you didn't open the long position from here, actually never ever put it when we pumping, because you can see that we afterwards always we have a reversal to the downside, with which we retesting the previous resistance as support, and that's why lots of guys panicking out and they don't know what to do, and they closing the position in a loss or whatsoever. So when we have a retest here, it's a perfect move to jump in. So this is what I'm doing here. I jumped into the trade on this retest session. If we're gonna pump to 0.6%, I'm gonna take the profits, and I'm gonna wait to see how the thing's gonna play out. If I believe that we're gonna have even more space to go to the upside, then I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna wait to see actually retest of the previous resistance as support, and probably I'm gonna jump again into a new trade. This is what I believe is about to happen in this current situation, guys. Don't confuse the things. I still remain very bearish on the mid long term. I have been very convinced after the Jeremy Powell speech that we're gonna get to maximum pain of the Bitcoin price in the Q1 of 2023. I believe around there we're gonna see the lowest price of the Bitcoin, and then afterwards we're gonna see a very slowly building the bullish momentum slowly afterwards. Okay, but if you ask me for a number, I believe 12K or $13,000 it's gonna be the lowest point of the Bitcoin. I don't see the Bitcoin dropping more than that, but altcoins gonna crash massively, guys. I believe over 95-96%, and most of altcoins can crash easily 99%, guys. Prepare for that, and if you are smart, you should do dollar cost average on those kind of very small micro caps of altcoins, because when the bull run is gonna come, you're gonna get crazy wealth in the future. Of course, do your DCA with your more money. Do DCA with your Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is where you build the future wealth. Is the most safest asset, the biggest scarcity on the planet. All these good things which has the Bitcoin, and the 10% you can actually. So guys, before I close the video, I would like to tell you a big thank you to everyone who supported me in the 2022. For me it's a very big guys, appreciate. I had appreciated a lot, and guys, right now I'm gonna promise you that the guys who believe me in my first steps in the 2023, you're gonna see this channel blowing up like crazy. I promise you that. I'm gonna help you to make money. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna educate you. Of course, something that I would like to mention you that by before trade, I'm not financial advisor. Always do your own research, and always you decide for your pocket. Don't listen me blindly and go jump into blindly trades. Not only me, but for everyone. So guys, I would like to tell you big wishes for the new year. It's gonna come in 3 hours from now, at least in my country. We're changing the year. I'm sending you big wishes, guys. Everything you would like to achieve it. I hope from my heart to achieve it. And I'm wishing you health in 2023, because it's the most important asset that you have in your life. It's over everything is your health. I'm wishing you health and all the goods in you and your families, guys. Appreciate you for all the love and support that you showed me in the last couple of months that I have in the channel. I promise you I won't disappoint you in 2023. I'm gonna put crazy work, lots of upgrades, lots of crazy things. I promise you guys, mark my words, you're gonna see my words being in an action in 2023. Appreciate you and love you all, guys. See ya on 2023 in a few hours from now with a new update with in my duty everyday video. See ya guys in the 1st January of 2023. Until then, peace and love. Have a great time with your families, and see ya guys tomorrow. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.